Good afternoon, 6th grade. It is March 30th, Monday, and this is math class. Now, before we start, I just want to tell you guys that I really miss my 6th graders. Y'all are the class I have the most, and it feels really weird speaking to you through a camera, but this is just what we have to do right now with this virus and then closing the schools. We still want you to be able to learn. We don't want you to come back and have lost everything or be behind. So this is a way that, including the videos, there are going to be packets sent home each week for you to do. Please do the work in those packets. I want you to make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, hopefully the videos will be informative enough that you shouldn't. But we are setting up the Remind app where you'll be able to message us during school hours if you have any questions. So in the packet, lesson 134 should be page 241. We're going to be talking about triangles. Now, triangle is a three-sided polygon, 1, 2, 3, whose total angles add up to 180 degrees. Remember, a circle equals 360 degrees, triangle, 180 degrees. Remember that little dot by the number equals degree. So we're going to read some information about the triangle. There are three main types of triangles we're going to learn about today. Equilateral triangles have three congruent sides and three congruent angles. Remember, the word congruent means the same. So if I had a equilateral triangle, these little lines I'm drawing is showing that each of those sides is congruent. Anytime you see that, that means all three are congruent. So if this side was 5 inches, this side would be 5 inches, and so would this one. Your equilateral triangles are always going to have 60 degrees because what's 60 times 3? 180. And since it's congruent, all three have to be the same. So an equilateral triangle always has 60-degree angles. But then you might have an isosceles triangle. Isosceles is a little different. Only two sides are the same. And then, of course, you have a right triangle that has one right angle we know is 90 degrees. So, with that information, class practice 1, let's fill in our blanks. A triangle has, yes, 3 sides, that's right. A triangle has 180 degrees. A circle has, I said it before, remember, if you do a flip in the air, a full circle is, yes, that's right, 360 degrees. The sum of the angles in a square. Now, we didn't talk about this one, though. So a square is a 4-sided quadrilateral. Each one of these is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is, that's right, 360. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 interior angles. Interior simply just means inside. Alright, so our equilateral triangle. How many sides are congruent? It's not 1. It's not 2. That's the isosceles. Yes, that's right. It is 3. Equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides. Isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides. And a right triangle has how many right angles? It's not 2, it's not 3, it's 1. Usually anytime you see that square, that means a right angle. So we're going to skip number 3 class practice because I know you guys don't have protractors at home probably, but we'll do class practice 2. So we got a triangle with the 3 congruent sides, and as we identified, that is a what? That's right, equilateral. Equilateral has 3 congruent sides. How about 2B? Looks like this fella. It's not a right. It's not an equilateral. It is a isosceles, correct. Alright, now C. It's got a box. It's got to be a right triangle. So we're going to skip class practice 3. Okay, class practice 4 though. I want you to look at these for a second. So, write the number of degrees in the third angle of the triangle. Remember, how many degrees does the triangle have to equal to? That's right, 180. So we'll do 8 on the board. Alright, so this is class practice 4A. We've got 45 degrees, 70 degrees. So how do we solve for our missing angle? That's right. We've got to figure out these two combined, subtract from 180. 45 plus 70, 115. So you go 180 degrees minus 115. Should be 65 degrees for your missing angle. Hope you all got that. Let's do 4C. So we've got a 90 degree, a 30 degree. So what kind of triangle would this be? 90 degrees. That's right, that would be a right triangle. And we're going to find our missing one. 90 plus 30 is 120. So we go 180 minus 120. We got 60 degrees. That's right. Our missing angle is 60 degrees. All right. And then I'll do E. E. So we've got 99 degrees, 35 degrees, I believe. What that one is. Yes, all right, so 99 plus 35 is 14, 134, 180 plus 134 is 46 degrees. So our missing angle on E is 46 degrees. Now I want you to do class practice 4, B, D, and F by yourself. I showed you how to do it. Remember, you add the two angles you have together, subtract that from 180 degrees, that'll give you your missing angle. Skip 5, skip 6. Now we have a review. I want you to make sure you do every other one. So 7AC, 8AC. All right, remember, perimeter of a square is 4 times the side. Circumference of a circle, pi times diameter. Remember how to multiply fractions. Like I said, if you remember any of this or you're having trouble, please message me on Remind. I don't want you to get stuck with this because I want you to do the work. These packets are for a grade, so please do them. But that's pretty much triangles. Hopefully it wasn't too difficult to understand. The three main ones are equilateral, isosceles, and right triangles. If you have any questions, please get with me on Remind. And if not, then y'all have a good rest of your Monday. Hope to see you again soon.